Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming backups and collecting system details so you can revert if needed. Once done, record the OS version, exact error code, and hardware model. These drive targeted fixes. Make sure to prepare a bootable USB or know how to enter safe mode so you can work without risking the main install. Then capture recent logs and timestamps. They show when the failure began. This initial setup saves time and prevents data loss while you diagnose. You now dive into diagnostics. Inspect logs around the failure time and search for consistent error strings to pinpoint the component. Once identified, run disk and file system checks, integrity verifiers like SFC, and a memory test to rule out hardware faults. Make sure to test a clean boot and selectively disable drivers or services to isolate the culprit. If a driver is implicated, download the vendor-signed update on another machine. You finish by applying the targeted fix, install the verified patch or updated driver, and then perform a controlled reboot while watching logs. Once the system is stable, validate functionality and run the original failing workflow to confirm resolution. If core system files are corrupted, repair or reinstall the OS as a last resort, restoring data from the prepared backups. If problems continue, roll back to a known good snapshot and collect fresh logs to escalate with precise evidence for deeper support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.